For muscle car enthusiasts, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat represents the pinnacle of modern American V8 power. Its supercharged Hemi engine, aggressive styling, and earth-shattering performance cemented its legendary status almost instantly upon arrival. Naturally, fans look to the future, wondering what a potential 2026 model might bring. However, there's a significant shift in the automotive landscape that directly impacts this specific model. The reality: the V8 Hellcat era has concluded. The hard truth is that Dodge officially ended production of the Hemi V8-powered Challenger and Charger models, including all Hellcat variants, at the end of December 2023. This decision was driven by several factors, including stricter emissions regulations and Stellantis, Dodge's parent company, broader strategic shift towards electrification under their Dare Forward 2030 Inches plan. Therefore, a 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, in the traditional sense with a supercharged Hemi V8, is not planned and will not be produced. The era of factory-built Hellcat Challengers roaring off the assembly line has passed. So, what's next for Dodge Performance Coupes? While the V8 Challenger is gone, Dodge isn't abandoning the performance coupe market. Instead, they are ushering in a new generation, primarily under the Dodge Charger nameplate, which will now encompass both two-door coupe and four-door sedan body styles, effectively replacing both the previous Challenger and Charger. Here's what we know is coming and expected for the 2025 and potentially 2026 model years. 1. The all-electric Dodge Charger Daytona. This is the flagship of the new generation. Built on the STLA large platform, it launched first in its two-door coupe form. Charger Daytona RT offers substantial all-electric performance. Charger Daytona Scat Pack provides even higher electric horsepower and torque, aiming to deliver performance comparable to or exceeding the outgoing V8 Scat Pack. Charger Daytona Banshee, expected later, this will be the top-tier electric performance model, utilizing an 800-volt architecture for truly extreme acceleration and power, becoming the spiritual successor to the Hellcat in terms of outright performance leadership. 2. The ICE-powered Dodge Charger Sixpack. Recognizing that not everyone is ready for electric, Dodge will also offer internal combustion engine options for the new Charger, both two-door and four-door. Engine. These models will feature the new 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged Hurricane inline-six engine. Power levels. 2 outputs are planned. A standard output SO version likely around 420 horsepower and a high output HO version around 550 horsepower. Positioning. The high output Hurricane engine aims to fill the performance gap left by the departure of the naturally aspirated 5, 7L and 6, 4L Hemi V8s, offering strong performance with potentially better efficiency. What about the Challenger and SRT Hellcat names? Challenger name. While the initial launch focuses on the Charger name for both body styles, it's possible Dodge could reintroduce the Challenger nameplate later, perhaps for specific trims or future iterations. However, as of now, April 2025, the new performance coupe is officially a Charger. SRT Hellcat name. The Hellcat name is intrinsically tied to the supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8. With that engine discontinued for this platform, the Hellcat name, as we knew it, is unlikely to return on these new models. The performance mantle is being passed to the electric Banshee and the high-output Hurricane Sixpack variants. While the dream of a brand new 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat with its signature V8 roar won't materialize from the factory, the spirit of Dodge performance lives on. The future lies with the technologically advanced electric Charger Daytona models, including the upcoming ultra-high-performance Banshee and the potent new twin-turbo Hurricane inline-six powered Charger Sixpack models. It's the end of one legendary chapter, but the beginning of a powerful new one for Dodge muscle.